Does the situation or the circumstances of the supplicant have any bearing on whether or not Allah accepts the dua?
As I mentioned earlier, that the situation or circumstance he is in, if he asks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he can supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But there are certain situations which are preferable. For example, when a person is fasting, when a person is traveling, when a just ruler, when he supplicates, or a just imam, or a father supplicates for his son or daughter, or a person who has halal earnings and he supplicates, or it can be a person who prays in sujood, as our beloved Prophet Muhammad said. It's mentioned in Sahih Hadith of Tirmidhi in the book of supplication, Hadith number 3598. The Prophet said, the prayer of three people is never rejected. Number one is a just ruler or a imam. Number two, a person who's fasting, especially when he breaks his fast. And number three is an oppressed person. And the similar hadith which I quoted earlier of Al-Bayhaqi, hadith number 6393, where the Prophet said, the prayer of three people is never rejected. A father when he prays for his child, a fasting person, especially when he breaks his fast, and a traveling person when he prays. So the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, these are the times which are preferred when a person supplicates as compared to others.